Good afternoon, everybody. Bayman Steve here once again. It is Saturday, February the 8th, 2025. I have not been active on YouTube here in quite a while now, and I'm sure that you understand that I have been very busy here lately. It's been raining outside today, so I thought that I would take the time off to treat you to a video. Anyway, this is a Westinghouse oscillating table fan, and I do believe this dates back to the 40s. I've had this for about a couple of years now, and I think it was in early 2023 when I got it. Technically, I think this was my first fan acquisition when I moved here. Kind of crazy that it's already been 3 years now since I've been living here. Boy, does how time fly. But anyway, this is going to be a Tinker update. I'm going to try to make a project out of this and see if I can get it to running again. The fan was somewhat working when I first got it. It does have a few problems, and as you can see, it's not quite complete. I did dismantle it, and there's the original switch to it. There's the power cord. This has an auto transformer in it, and I've really not had a whole lot of experience with these fans with an auto transformer. So I'm gonna see if I can find one that I can find the right one with the right amperage rating for this fan, and maybe if I can get it to running again. Now that I have a kilowatt meter, I'll know for sure if the stator is healthy enough, if I can continue use with it. Fan is pretty much original. The original paint, original blade. There's the back of the fan there. There's the oscillating mechanisms. It also has a brace around the blade set. Little did I know that plastic blades existed back in the 50s or the 40s or whatever. Really didn't think that that was even a thing until later on in the 60s or the 70s. This fan does have character. This was a free find too, by the way. A family member found this out of a house that he was cleaning up, and he brought it home to me. I think I've used this at least twice. So, like I say, it's definitely going to need some work. I'm going to turn this over. I'm going to let you have a look at the bottom here, to where we can see what's going on. Okay. Now we can have a closer look at the inside of the fan here. I have it disassembled, including the motor here. And there is the stator right there. These are the bushings. Those are oil impregnated bushings too, by the way, from the looks of it. Let's see if we can get that piece there off. There's the oscillating mechanisms. Someone please tell me if this is original. And I'll turn the light on to where you can easier to get a closer look at it. You see here from where the cable is connected to the stator, it looks like this was redone somehow. And it looks like this was redone with electrical tape. I'm not exactly sure if this is the way it should have been done. And I'm not too trustworthy of it. So maybe I can try my hand at trying to repair this. Stator seems like it's perfectly fine. There's no discoloration, there's no burn marks, there's no loose windings that I can see. The reason I discontinued use for this is because this was only working on one speed, and it didn't seem like it was running at its proper speed, because there is an electrical piece here on the bottom. Let's see if I can very carefully turn this over. Oh, well, there it went. There's this piece underneath, and I do believe this is what amplifies the speeds, kind of like a transformer. I remember doing some research online a while back, and they do sell these online, and but you have to find one with the correct power rating. So I need to get a replacement for this, and they are a little tricky to replace. These are the wires that control the speeds, as well as this one here. See if we can very carefully turn this back over without ruining anything. Anyway, I wanna continue use for this, but I'm just not. So I am not trustworthy of this stator whatsoever. I don't know if that's a modification. Something tells me that perhaps it's not, because I don't think that these connections were intended to be done with electrical tape. Maybe someone could chime in and correct me on this, and I'll even post this on the Facebook fan groups to where I can get some information. This little piece fell out. I think this came out of the stator. So rotor shaft definitely needs to be cleaned. If I'll ever get it running again, that's what I'll do. So, well, there you have it, everybody. There is a little fan update for you. Want to see if I'm going to do some research and see if I can get this to running again. If not, this this will just be put on display, and it'll just be like a little collector's edition, maybe. Pretty cool little fan, and these are a little hard to find, so I would like to get it to running again. So, well, there you have it, everybody. There is an inspection of my 1940s Westinghouse table fan. I hope that you all have enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for more.